Yeah.
Hi guys. You might not have known it, but I've been here before. We replaced this floor, and it came out when she said she had the floor and she wanted to get it. And she didn't have the padding for the flooring that she bought. So she's upset. So we went back home, which is an hour drive. And we're back here now. She got the SmartCore, which has that padding on the bottom of it. But she didn't get the kit to put the pieces together, which we bought. We had to drive an hour to Lowe's and then an hour back. Anyway, with this SmartCore, you're supposed to stay a ½ inch away, or at least have a ½ inch of room for movement, and you need to start from left to right. So I had to ask them what direction they wanted the floor to go, this across the house or with the house. So they said they wanted to go with the house. So this is the far left where we have to start and work toward our right. We have to go into this bathroom and change the toilet. And then we've got to put some trim in, which she didn't buy. We had to buy that. So there's a lot of things that she didn't know about. So we're going to help out. And I've started out over here against the wall. This is the furthest left. And I've allowed room for expansion. And I have some wedges that we'll put in, and then we'll start snapping this thing together. And we'll take you with us.